You when you go to like your live center where you can see like if you got gifts and stuff, there's an option to see your live recordings and then you could download it from there. This smells good. This was tied. Oh, that sucks. I mean, unless the being knocked out helps. Hopefully. Hey, Savannah. Happy Wednesday. All good, babe. This is just me dumping a bunch of saved laundry stuff I have. Oh, that's good. I have trouble sleeping sometimes. Reading helps, but it's not good because I work at 5 a.m. so by choice, but still. If I go to sleep at midnight, I'm only getting like 5 hours. I go to sleep at 1, you know. So this is a dump because I'm moving. I'm just trying to get rid of everything that I can't use. Like I can't use this in my laundry. This all these liquids, so I'm not moving. But I'm not going to do the tub dump until next week maybe, or the week after, depending on if I do the other products today or not. Thank you. I love that it's sudsy and watery at the same time. Hey Audrey, happy Wednesday. I keep looking out for the puzzle, but I haven't gotten it yet, so. I didn't realize like how much liquid it was until now. Much liquid. I'm good. Stressed with, you know, work and packing and life, but this is helping. How are you? This has some crystals in there, but I can't reach them. And then I kind of regret not recording because sometimes it comes out so good. Like, I wish I would have recorded that. All these crystals at the bottom. That's like the worst. Oh no, she flipped all my crystals up. Look how big this crystal is, like huge. In super hot water, they can dissolve, yeah. But this is like cold, so they're not dissolving. I probably will save the crystals and squeeze. Let's see if it comes out. No, she's stuck. I may have to tap her. Do you see how blue it is? Oh, she's coming loose. Success. This is gonna turn so blue. Because there was Tidy Bowl. It was Tidy Bowl and laundry. Tasty. And I think I might have used Sweetheart powder in this powder too. I don't even know where to start. She fell. Thank you for the heart me. When I flipped it. Oh, I love a good hand mix. See how blue that is? Yeah, I love this. I love how it's changing the color. I just looked at my phone and understood what you meant when you said it when your eye a little. But that's on my phone. I still haven't gotten the puzzle, so I gotta look for it. Do I have a hole in my glove or something? I thought this was a sponge, but it's not. I was squeezing for a long time, but secretly. But I started posting in July. Oh, puzzle. Okay. The crystal just turned blue. That's cute. This is a block, you guys, still. In case you thought it was a sponge, this is still a block. You guys like the pretty color. I like